Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Garda. I want to show you how to get signed up for Codeorg. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get to Google Chrome and you're going to enter the address that I'm going to put in. Okay, so https, and then you're going to put studio.co.org/join/xgyftw, which is our section code. Okay, so HTTPS is a secure site. Studio.co.org is the main part of the URL, and then there's a particular folder that's going to allow you to join and then get to our particular section. Okay, so once you put that in, you're going to get to this next page, and the next page says register to join this particular section. Okay, if you already have an account at Codeorg, then you're going to click this link and sign into your Codeorg account before joining the section. Okay, if you don't have any account at all, okay, then you're going to fill out this information and click register. Okay, so all you need to do is put in this information. Now, I would definitely use your school Google account. Okay, so you're going to use your school account. You're going to come up with a password that you're going to remember. Okay, and then you're going to put in your age, and this last section about gender is optional. Okay, and then you're going to click register. Okay, so that should let you get into our section. If you already have an account, you're going to click this button. You're going to enter in your username and password, and then you're going to put in that 6-digit code that I had on the other screen, and I'll put it in again, XGYFTW, okay, all capital letters, and then you're going to hit go. Okay, and what that should do is it should sign you into your account and put you into our section. Okay, I can't do it the whole way because it won't let me join my own section, so when you do it, you should not have any trouble. If you do have any trouble, please email me, post me a message, send me a message, and let me know if you can't get in. I will be checking the rosters to see, who's there and who's not there, and if I don't hear from you or see your name show up, I will reach out to you and get you some help. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody.